Thank you for buying this price drop Plinko board from FixtureDisplays. This is a stand. I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to get going. The part number is 15728 and these are all the parts come with it. There are chips and cards and the board itself. The cards inserts like that. You can write things on, or you can. Some people use clear tape to cover that. Then, therefore, you can then use a dry erase marker and reuse those cards as blanks. You simply open up the flaps, and then they are ready to go. If you are using this outdoors on your lawn or places, you can use a ground spike. We do have those offered. The price drop on top are printed material that you can take off and redress up with your own brand or your own message if you so wish. The dimensions of this price drop unit is, let me give you the 3 measurements. It's 18 inches left to right, and front to back is 15 inches. Overall height, right about 30 inches. So you have 6 different spots to catch or identify where your chips will fall in, and therefore receive different prizes. The chips are not very heavyweight. There are customers who would buy heavy poker chips, make bigger and louder sounds. You can definitely do that if your budget allows, of course. This is a close-up of the header. As you can see, you can remove the lens and replace the header graphics. There are a couple of anti-slip padding toward the bottom. If you're using this on a tabletop or countertop, those will help to keep those in place. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. This is how would you attach the ground spike. I encourage you to browse FixtureDisplays for other products and services we have to offer. Some of the raffle drums part numbers are 10006, 13030, 119570, and the stands are 119571. To retrieve the chips, you can easily just pull it out of there. There are many possibilities to use this Plinko board, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave a good seller feedback along with a product review on whatever marketplace you purchased or saw this. Subscribe, like us, and thank you so much.